A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. A man who never reads lives only one, said George R. R. Martin, American novelist and short story writer. I am Nahid Parveen from First BA English. I am going to review the most famous and the most criticized book of 21st century, The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. The whole book is very interesting when read with the literal meaning rather than metaphorical meaning. Though it runs for about 500 pages, Dan Brown has made it interesting with his way of narrating the story. Published in the year 2003, the mystery thriller explores an alternative religious history whose central plot is all around the France, the descendants of the Merovingian king of France, from the bloodline of Jesus Christ and Mary Magdalene. The book has been denounced by many Christian denominations as an attack on the Roman Catholic Church. Despite the criticism and denouncements, 80 million copies were sold as on 2009, and the book has been translated into 44 languages. The book begins with a murder in the Louvre Museum in Paris, which causes Robert Langdon, the symbologist, and Sophie New, the cryptologist, to get involved in a battle between the Priory of Sion and Opus Dei. Priory of Sion, a secret group and society founded in 1099 AD, which believes that Jesus Christ married with Mary Magdalene and they had a daughter, and the bloodline extended and continues till date. The work to save the Holy Bloodline. Opus Dei is a group which follows the way of the Holy Bible and are against the thought of the previous group. The murder of a curator in the beginning of the novel takes place to know the location of the Holy Grail. The cutter Jacques lies to the Opus Dei monk and paints a pentacle on his stomach with his own blood, draw a circle with his blood, and digs himself into the center of the circle, recreating the position of Da Vinci between man. He also leaves a code, a line of numbers, and 2 lines of text on the ground in an invisible ink. Robert Langdon, the protagonist and a symbologist, is called by Detective Genio Collett to interpret the scene. Sophie New and against of the Department of Cryptology and Jacques' grandfather arrives at the crime scene, tells Langdon to call the embassy as he is suspected of the murder of her grandfather. The story spins around the Langdon and Sophie as they go in search of the Holy Grail. The story continues with high tension as Sophie and Langdon moves forward in their path of the discovery. Whatever Sophie and Langdon found the Grail, or Langdon was shot by cops. What happened to Sophie? And the end. What or who actually is the Holy Grail? Who is Jesus Christ's bloodline? All these questions will be answered only when you read the book. The book is filled with mysteries. Apart from analyzes the text about its reality or hidden meaning, I would like to suggest to you read the book for the way it is written. Believe me, though it is a big book, you will not keep it down once you start reading it. Have a happy day and a happy reading. Thank you.